Hey y'all, it's Nisha Babii, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to get into how to prevent your hair from severe itching while you're trying to be cute and wear a protective style. This is something we all should know, but some of us fail to do. So stick with me so I can show you all the details on this trick. Alright, so first we start with pouring some water in the bucket or whatever you choose to use, and make sure your hair is fully submerged in this solution. Okay, so now it's time to add your apple cider vinegar. I just eyeballed it because my bucket is pretty big, but you can measure it if you want to. I would say don't put too much, but if you really want to make sure, I guess you can. But honestly, you just need a little bit, and a little goes a long way. Alright, so after letting the solution sit in the hair for about 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. And good on Extreme, I didn't notice a lot of clout in it, like the water wasn't cloudy. You see it's pretty clear, so that's good. But I always recommend doing this step because you never know how you would react to the hair. Everyone is different. Alright, so now I'm just rinsing the hair very thoroughly because I do not want to smell like vinegar, because baby, that is not cute. So I believe I did this about 3 times. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because y'all need to see all that. But I just repeat these same steps till you don't smell the vinegar no more, or if your hair is cloudy, until the water is clear. Now remember, you want to be gentle in this process. You do not want to mess up the curl pattern for your hair and then it comes out frizzy. You are gonna be so mad. So just be very gentle when you're wringing the water vinegar solution out. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Don't judge me. We are in the midst of moving. But yes, look at that bounce. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, she flowy. So now just hang it. You can hang it on a doorknob. You can hang it on a hanger. Whatever works for you, boo. Hang it, let it air dry. And make sure if you're doing it like this, you have a bucket to catch the water. But I recommend just doing it in the shower and get a hanger so it could trickle in the tub. Alright, hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, sorry about everything. I know I got different parts of the house in this video, but we are moving. So I am working with what I have. I just wanted to make this content and get this out for you all. But I just finished fluffing the hair after, you know, setting in the apple cider vinegar water solution. And these are my hands. So it helped. It did help. Let me switch it. I did notice a little bit of discoloration, not a lot. See? Just a little, and I don't even know if y'all can really see it. Excuse my nails, I've been dealing with boxes. So yes, it actually has, it helped out. So my theory checks out. It's not as yellow as you see, but I would still recommend, of course, if you touch your face, wash your hands. But I'm gonna get ready to wrap my hair. This is what the hair looks like. And I still have my other pack right here. I don't know if I'm gonna need that, but it's there just in case. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this head, and I will see y'all in the next video. And all right, sorry y'all, I lost some space on my card, but like I was saying before the camera so rudely interrupted. Just want to let y'all know that I appreciate all my new subscribers. I see y'all, boo. Before y'all go, please share my video. I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you know what left behind, because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there. You want to be right here with me getting this tea and this knowledge when I drop it. All right, I will see y'all till next time.